AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a smart helper. It's a technology that can think and learn, almost like a human brain. But instead of being made of cells, it's made of code and algorithms. This allows AI to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and even understanding emotions. It's in our phones, cars, and even our homes. From voice assistants that help us with daily tasks to smart home systems that control our lights and security, AI is seamlessly integrating into our everyday lives. In our cars, AI helps with navigation, driving assistance, and even predicting maintenance needs. AI is changing how we live and work. At workplaces, AI is automating repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic activities. It's also enhancing customer service with chatbots that can handle inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and solutions. It's making things easier and faster. For instance, AI can analyze large amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans days or even weeks to uncover. This speed and efficiency are transforming industries, from finance to healthcare. In many industries, AI is doing amazing things. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are assembling products with precision and speed. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors by analyzing medical images and predicting patient outcomes, leading to better and faster diagnoses. AI can understand information, learn from it, and make decisions. This process, known as machine learning, allows AI systems to improve over time as they are exposed to more data. They can identify patterns and make predictions, which is incredibly valuable in fields like finance, where predicting market trends can lead to significant gains. This helps businesses and people make better choices. Companies use AI to optimize their operations, from supply chain management to customer relationship management. Individuals use AI tools to make informed decisions, whether it's choosing the best investment or planning a healthy diet. AI is becoming more common every day. As technology advances, AI is becoming more accessible and affordable, leading to its widespread adoption. It's clear that AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a present reality that is here to stay, continuously shaping our world. Engineers are finding new ways to use AI. From automating repetitive tasks to enhancing complex problem-solving, AI is becoming an indispensable tool in the engineering world. It's not just about replacing human effort, but augmenting it to achieve greater efficiency and innovation. AI can help engineers work smarter, not harder. By integrating AI into their workflows, engineers can streamline design processes, optimize resource allocation, and even predict potential issues before they arise. This proactive approach leads to more robust and reliable engineering solutions. It can do tasks that take a long time, like looking at lots of data. AI excels at processing vast amounts of information quickly and accurately, providing engineers with valuable insights that would be time-consuming to gather manually. This capability is particularly useful in fields like structural analysis, materials science, and environmental engineering.